to download Geometry Dash on your PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download Geometry Dash application on your PC. So it's an Android application, so if you haven't already, just make sure you have successfully downloaded the application or emulator called BlueStacks. So you must be familiar with this application by now, since it's one of the most popular Android emulation application out there, available for free. So you can download it from any browser, and once you successfully download it, install it on your device, just open the application and just click on this search menu for the Play Store, and you can just search in for Geometry Dash like this over here, and just search in for the game, and you will be seeing the games options just like this. So select the second one, which is the official game. Just click on this install from Google Play, and you will be redirected to this page where it will take you to your Google Play, and you might need to log into your Google Play option. So let me just quickly do it. So once you successfully logged into your Play Store account, you can still search in for Geometry Dash and just here scroll down until you see this app called Geometry Dash Lite. So as you can see, for Geometry Dash you will have to pay something around $2.60, but you can also play the Geometry Dash Lite for free. So if you have the fonts available, you can try out Geometry Dash, but if you don't have fonts available, you can try out Geometry Dash Lite and just click on install over here, and you will have successfully be able to download and install that Geometry Dash application on your PC. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.